In this lecture, let's look at how to use variables inside your dataform project to make your code more flexible and maintainable. You can define variables in a JavaScript file and reference them directly in your SQL models. This is useful for managing things like dates, filters, or constants across multiple models. Let's walk through how it works. Inside the includes folder, we have a file called variables.js. In that file, we define our variables using standard JavaScript syntax. For example, we can set a start date like this. Const start underscore date equals 2024-06-01. Then, we export it using module.exports, written like this. Module.exports equals curly brace start underscore date, curly brace close. Now in our SQLX model, we can reference it using template syntax like this, where created underscore at is greater than or equal to $sign. Open curly brace, variables.start underscore date, close curly brace. Notice that we use the name of the file, in this case, variables, followed by dot notation to access the variable we want. This makes it easy to update logic in one place without editing multiple models. You can also define lists using square brackets, which are useful for filtering by multiple values. Here's another example. Const product underscore season. Then, below that, define any other constants like start date or warehouse operations start date. Finally, export everything using module.exports, with all three variable names listed inside curly braces. You can plug these values directly into where clauses, use them in case statements, or pass them into conditional logic for custom model behavior. This keeps your pipeline dynamic, reusable, and easy to update across environments or scenarios. That's how to use variables in data form.